Sibingelele. Sesibuyile sibuya no part 3 la sikhuluma khona ngezwe laseKenani. Sikuvezile ukuthi izwe laseKenani lise Southern Africa. Mengithi Southern ngibala Angola, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Swaziland, South Africa, Namibia. Ngibala wonke lawo mazwe lawo. Right? Now, siyaqhubeka ke la ku part 3 sifuna ukuveza ama-biblical features ukuthi akuphi nendawo kulelizwe laseKenani eSouthern Africa, right? Ake siqaleke singene kuyona. Okay, ake siqaleke kuyona. Sizama ukuveza ama-features akhona kephi eKenani eSouthern Africa. Number 1, nansi imap yethu endala. If uyibuka le map yethu endala, ibhala ukuthi Africa yabe sibhala lapha in bracket kwathiwa Eden. I-Africa at one point was called Eden. Before ibizwe ngo-Alkebulan, before ibizwe ngokuthi Africa, it was called Eden. U-Eden lo we-Garden of Eden. So into yokuqala kumele ukuthi uyazi ukuthi i-Garden of Eden ise-Africa. But before sisho ukuthi ikuphi, ake sifunde ukuthi biblically ngokweBhayibheli mebeyichaza bathi ikuphi sizoyibona ngani, sizobe sesiyaveza ukuthi ikuphi leyo nto leyo, sibuveze nalobo bufakazi. Ake singene kuyona. Now, number 1, i-Garden of Eden ila kwaqala khona i-civilization, ila kwaqala khona i-humankind, right? Now, e-Africa yonke into yaqala e-north of i-Africa. In-north of i-Africa ilelizwe leli ekuthiwa i-South Africa. Kwaphambaniswa amagama ukuze kulahle umlando, right? So that means i-Garden of Eden ise-South Africa. But kuphi ne-South Africa? Sesifuna ukuthola ukuthi kuphi ne-South Africa, kodwa kuyashiwo kuthiwa i-Garden of Eden ngokweBhayibheli ise-north, right? It's a point of ilontuza izwe layo ekulona. I-point noma i-north, i-Western Cape ne-Eastern Cape. So i-Garden of Eden ifanele ukuthi ibe ise-Western Cape or Eastern Cape, mhlawumbe ne-KZN sayibala kancane, right? But ake sifune more evidence ezosikhombisa, ezosinika i-clue ukuthi between these 3 provinces i-Garden of Eden ikuphi. Sibonile ukuthi ise-Africa, right? Ngoba i-Africa yayibizwa ngokuthi ise-Eden, right? Okwesibili, siyabona ukuthi ise-South Africa. Ngobani i-South Africa iyi-point, iyi-north of i-Africa. Yonke into iqala e-South Africa. Sasiveza obunye ubufakazi obuchaza lokho. Yonke into iqala e-South Africa, okusho ukuthi ne-Garden of Eden nayo ise-South Africa. Sesifuna ukuthola-ke manje ukuthi ikuphi nendawo e-South Africa. Ngabe ise-Western Cape, Eastern Cape or KZN, right? At one point, i-Eastern Cape ne-Western Cape kwakuyinto eyodwa, ayengekho ama-borders, right? Ake singene ebufakazini sithule obunye ubufakazi ukuthi ngabe ikuphi i-Garden of Eden e-South Africa na. Ake sizweke, ake sifuna ubufakazi, sesifuna ukuthola ukuthi e-South Africa i-Garden of Eden ikuphi. Ake sizwe ukuthi kuthiwa neBhayibheli, kuthiwa lana, the Bible describes the Garden of Eden as being in the east, in a region called Eden. But it's a east. Now, a point of Africa, the Eastern Cape, ne Western Cape. Kuyashiwo la kuthiwa in the east, in a region called Eden, right? Okay, now South Africa, a point of South Africa, the Western Cape, ne Eastern Cape. Okusho ukuthi i-Garden of Eden, it's either ise-Western Cape noma ise-Eastern Cape. Ukhumbuleke ukuthi i-Eastern Cape ne-Western Cape ne-Northern Cape kwakuyindawo eyodwa leyo, yayibizwa ngokuthi ise-Kapa Norm. Base bachazelana, kwathiwa Eastern Cape, kwathiwa Western Cape, kwathiwa Northern Cape. Yabo uCape usakhona, yabo bafaka East, West, North. Now kuthiwani-ke la, ake sizwe ukuthi kuthiwani la nge-Garden of Eden. Sifuna ukubona ukuthi ikuphi. The Bible describes the Garden of Eden as being in the east. Nezo indaba ukuthi bayikhomba phi, bathi iku-east. Right? East, not west. East, okusho ukuthi i-Garden of Eden is the Eastern Cape. But we need more evidence. This is not enough. We need more evidence. We know ukuthi i-Eastern Cape ne-Western Cape indawo eyodwa. Kwakuhlangene ne-Northern Cape kwakuhlangene. That's why abantu bezizwe befuna ukudla i-Western Cape. Angani noma sebeyidlile yini, kodwa bafuna ukudla i-Western Cape. Ne-Eastern Cape nayo bayifuna ngoba indawo eyodwa kahle kahle. Right? Kuthiwa lana the Garden of Eden is on the east. Okusho ukuthi ilapha e-Eastern Cape. Right? But we need more evidence. Ibuphi ubufakazi esingabuthola sibulinke bumesh ake sizwe ukuthi kuthiwani. Called Eden, watered by a river that splits into 4 headwaters. Base bayabhala amagama abo laba bawakhile, right? Kuthiwa enye into asoyithola lapho kwe-east kumele kube khona umfula. Lowo mfula kumele ukuthi uhlukane ka4. Now, the question is, ukhona yini umfula ohlukana ka4 e-Eastern Cape? If ukhona lowo mfula, kusho ukuthi i-Garden of Eden ilapho. Ngoba bayasho bathi iku-east. East of Northern Africa. I-Northern Africa phela ile ndawo kuthiwa ise-South Africa. Ake sibuke le video. Sibone ukuthi ithini nge-Garden of Eden.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Garden of Eden.
It says, a river went out of Eden to water the garden, and from there divided into 4 river heads. Now, it don't say what the name of this river is, but it just says a river divided into 4 river heads. That's what the Bible says. So in this video, we're gonna, debunk all of that. Now, here is the name of the rivers that the Bible says. Tigris, Euphrates, Pishon, Gihon. That's the name of the 4 river heads that this mysterious river. Now, there are similar 4 river splits in Southern Africa. Now, these are, the name of the big river, the main river was Mzimvubu River, and then it divided into Mzinklava, Kinera, Tana, and Tsitsa River. Those are the 4 rivers it divided into, and it comes from a place called Port St. John's. Here's another view of it. So this is the Port St. John's place. We're gonna examine it, and you can, see what kind of a place this is. Might this be really Eden Rivers? You decide for yourself, because this place where it comes from, this Port St. John's, it's a place full of all kind of trees, the vegetation, everything is just out there. It's like a garden full of a lot of trees. Here's a zoomed out version of it. So where you can see all these rivers coming from this Port St. John's, going up to, because the Bible says the first river, the Pishon, goes to a land of gold, and the next one, Kehon, go to Ethiopia, land of Cush, and the third one is the Tigris, go to land of Asher, which I'm not sure what land of Asher is, but it says it's full of sand dunes, and I know sand dunes are in Tanzania and those kind of places. And then the 4th river is Euphrates. So let's examine really closer this Port St. John's. What kind of a place this Port St. John's is? There it is at the bottom there. So it's really full of a lot of trees, fruit trees, and if you go over there, I've been there, and let's examine really closer. I've been there, and I know a lot of, you just walk around, you see a whole lot of trees, and these trees are just wild there, waiting for any, and you can access all this fruit. You go there, you see fruit, you can pick if you want. They're just everywhere. You can see all these people walking around. And some of it is just wild fruit you can't eat, but a lot of them is just like bananas and stuff. It's just fruits everywhere. It's just there. Available for everybody. So it's a place that you can think it's a garden. There it is, So you can, think about it. You found, I can say, congratulations, you found Eden.
So ivideo ikuveze kwacaca ukuthi yes ukhona umfula osuka lapha ePort St. John's nanke osuka lo blue uyasuka uhambe lo mfula bese uhlukana ka4 omunye udlula le endaweni negolide omunye uya le eEthiopia right omunye uye le kwezinye indawo u4 lemfula kodwa iqala as one river isuka from the Garden of Eden. So kusho ukuthi iGarden of Eden ikuleya le ekuthiwa iPort St Johns, right? And kuveziwe kwivideo ukuthi leya ndawo iyindawo enama-fruits ngoba vele iGarden of Eden kwakuyindawo yayinezithelo eziningi, kwaze kwashiwo kwathi uAdam kwathiwa akazidle zonke, angalidli i-aphula, right? Now ngisafuna ukuthi ake sibheke obunye ubufakazi ukuthi le ndawo elapha ePort St Johns ngabe nama-fruits ngempela yini njengeGarden of Eden na? Ake sizweke ukuthi kuthiwani ngePort St Johns. Kuthiwa lana Port St Johns in South Africa's lush Eastern Cape. Bathi kuphi? Ise-Eastern Cape. iPort St Johns la kusuka khona lo mfula ohamba uhlukene ka4. Umfula ohamba uhlukene ka4 it's umfula okuthiwa uwona osukusuka eGarden of Eden. Nanku kulo mfula sawuthola eEastern Cape, right? Yini eyasithola kule ndawo? Kuthiwa Port St Johns in South Africa's lush Eastern Cape is rich in indigenous and subtropical fruits like banana, guavas, avocados, and lychees, growing wild due to its warm climate and fertile soil. Isoil yalapho fertile and inama-fruits leya ndawo. And khona nomfula ohamba uhlukane ka4 njengaseGarden of Eden njengoba kushiwo eBhayibhelini. So indawo yokuqala eseBhayibhelini esithola eSouthern Africa eCanaan ikephi? Ise-Eastern Cape. Yini? iGarden of Eden, right? Ake sifune obunye ubufakazi just to make sure. Ake sibheke obunye ubufakazi. Ake sibuke la. Nampo kobunye ubufakazi. Kuthiwa lana, yes, there was a municipality called Eden District Municipality in the Western Cape. Yayibizwa ngani i-municipality? Eden. Njengoba i-Africa ibizwa ngokuthi Eden as a whole. That's why i-Africa kuthiwa it's the motherland. It's the motherland. Yonke into eyaqala e-Africa, specifically eSouth Africa. There was a municipality called Eden District Municipality, but it officially changed its name to Garden Route District Municipality. Njengoba kuthiwa Garden Route. Which garden? The Garden of Eden. Seniyabona ukuthi why eSouth Africa ingenagama. Seniyabona ukuthi why eSouth Africa yanika igama kwathiwa ise-South. Kwathiwa ise-South. Kwase kwathatha uNorth bayiswa le phezulu. Yabo? So ngizocela ukuthi ngiyibambe la. Okwamanje saveze in iGarden of Eden. Uzolandela upart 4. Sisaqhubeka siveza ama-features noma indawo eseBhayibhelini siziveza kephi ezweni laseCanaan. Siyabonga kakhulu.